Want to build a form that looks great on both mobile and desktop? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do just that, step by step. Whether you're looking to create a simple contact form or something more complex, by the end of this video, you'll have a form that's responsive and user-friendly across all devices. Let's start with the basics. The key to building a form that works well on mobile and desktop is responsiveness. This means ensuring that the form adapts to different screen sizes without losing its style or functionality. To do this, we'll be using a software that I've tested personally and which gives you a lot of flexibility for design and responsiveness. And don't worry, I'll share an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below, so you can follow along with the tutorial. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is select a layout that's simple and mobile friendly. For most forms, a single column layout works best. This layout ensures that everything fits neatly on the screen, without users having to zoom in or scroll horizontally. Next, let's talk about form fields. You want to keep them clean and easy to navigate. On desktop, you might have more space, so it's okay to spread things out a bit. On mobile, however, stack the fields vertically and make sure they're large enough to tap comfortably with a thumb. For labels and input fields, use good spacing. Keep your labels above the input fields, and make sure there's enough padding around each element. You don't want things feeling crowded. On mobile particularly, more spacing between the fields will make everything easier to read and fill out. Another important aspect of building forms that look great on mobile and desktop is button design. Buttons should be large enough to tap on mobile without any issues, but not take up too much space on desktop. Make sure the buttons stand out visually with a strong contrast color that's easy to see. Here's a crucial tip for you: testing. Once you've built your form, you need to test it on both mobile and desktop. The software we'll be using allows you to see your design on different screen sizes, which is a huge time saver. If anything looks off, you can quickly tweak the design for a better experience. Don't forget about form validation. On mobile, it's essential that users get immediate feedback if they've left something blank or entered incorrect information. The software we're using allows you to set up instant error messages that pop up directly beside the field, which is super helpful. If you want to give your form a little extra flair, consider using custom styling. Borders, shadows, and custom fonts can go a long way in improving the look. Just remember to keep it clean and not overcomplicated. Simplicity is key. Now, the key takeaway here is that building a form that looks great on mobile and desktop doesn't have to be complicated. By using a responsive layout, keeping your form fields and buttons easy to navigate, and testing on both devices, you can create a form that's functional and user-friendly. To quickly recap, use a single column layout, space out your form fields, ensure buttons are easily tappable, test across devices, and utilize clear error messages for mobile users. Remember, I've shared an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. Don't miss out on that. It's the perfect opportunity to follow along with this tutorial and start creating your own responsive forms today. Thanks for watching.